Are you looking for the best garden hose nozzle? In your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best garden hose nozzle that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Bon-Aire Original Ultimate Garden Hose Nozzle. If you want to get your kids to clean the outdoor areas, get this fireman-style nozzle on your hose and watch them go to work. This is the ultimate hose nozzle for homeowners. With 5 different spray patterns, you can do everything from blasting gunk off the driveway to spraying a gentle shower over your flower beds. This is a strong and durable garden hose nozzle, and it fits well with 5/8-inch hoses or larger. The Bon-Aire Original Nozzle is incredibly well made and engineered with aircraft-grade aluminum, stainless steel, and fiberglass. It has a comfortable grip, a soft rubber handle with an easy dial nozzle, and a uniquely patented 2-way shut-off system. All in all, this fire hose nozzle will find a way to be used, so be sure to combine it with a quality garden hose for the best results for both cleaning and watering. Up next in the 4th place is the SprayTec Garden Hose Nozzle Sprayer. The first thing you'll notice when you look at the SprayTec Garden Hose Nozzle Sprayer is its durable metal construction. This one features a 100% metal body and trigger, so you don't have to be gentle with it. It's also rust and corrosion resistant, so it will last several seasons or more. The soft rubber-coated handle makes it comfortable to hold on to, and the trigger lock buckle allows you to choose one spray pattern and spray away. This trigger style hose nozzle offers 9 different spraying patterns, so you can choose the jet setting for hosing down pathways, or a fine mist for watering delicate plants. You can even choose a gentle shower and bathe your dog. You no longer need different nozzle types for different tasks, so choose your spray pattern and hose away. Adjust the spraying pattern of this beauty with ease and enjoy all the benefits of purchasing this awesome garden hose nozzle that is compatible with most standard American hoses while you're irrigating your yard. Make sure you also check our guide to the best smart sprinkler systems. The 3rd product on our list is the Gilmour Zinc Pistol Grip Garden Hose Nozzle. If you're looking for a reliable, basic garden hose nozzle, they don't get much simpler than this one. The Gilmour nozzle is made from metal and has a threaded front for attaching cleaning tools. This one is simple and offers an excellent rear control that fits comfortably in your hands during use. It can fit on a standard garden hose, so all you need to do is decide what you're cleaning or watering and turn on the spigot. The flow control dial allows you to customize water flow, so you can choose the jet stream for cleaning and dial it down to lower water pressure for watering plants. While this is just a simple, old-school garden hose nozzle, it is durable and well-designed, ideal for those who just want to point and spray. It even has a trigger lock if you want to maintain the spray of water without maintaining a tight grip. This would also make an ideal gift for gardeners, as it's solidly built and well-priced. Second on our list is the Skytree Garden Hose Nozzle. There's not much you won't like when you attach the Skytree Garden Hose Nozzle to your garden hose. This durable nozzle features a thumb control to adjust water pressure, making it a comfortable nozzle to use for extended periods. However, you should consider draining this nozzle and storing it indoors over the winter to prevent leftover water from freezing and damaging the internal parts. Like many other garden hose nozzles, this one offers multiple spray patterns, so you can choose a high-pressure jet spray when cleaning the car or a light mist for watering hanging plants or delicate flowers. The 8 spray patterns allow you to choose the best type of spray for the task in front of you, and you can also adjust the water flow. The handle is made from a plastic material shaped into an ergonomic design. If you have some heavy-duty cleaning to do, check out our selection of top pressure washer hoses. Finally, the top product on our list is the Melnor Metal Garden Hose Nozzle. Whether watering plants or hosing mud off your SUV, The Melnor Garden Hose Nozzle puts other hose nozzles to shame. The Melnor features robust, durable construction and an ergonomic design that will perform for countless hosings. Instead of a single soaker nozzle type, this one gives you 7 spray patterns, so you can tackle a large mess on the driveway or give your petunias a light misty spray. What you're essentially getting is 7 hose nozzles in one convenient trigger-style nozzle. The Melnor nozzle is easy to use and also very easy to handle. Your hands won't cramp up from holding this nozzle, and you can also lock the trigger into place if you need a consistent jet stream or spray. All you need to get this nozzle to work is a hose connection and good water pressure. Use this trigger as a soaker nozzle to give the ground a good drenching before pulling out the gardening gloves and getting your hands into the dirt. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.